Hey, it's Joey, and I'm really excited to bring you today's deal on the Rechargeable Air Cooler. This is the perfect little portable fan that's going to keep you cool on a hot day, no matter where you are. Now, unlike traditional fans that tend to blow hot air around, this one actually uses a freezable coolant pack, which will keep your air cool for up to 6 hours, making this fan work more like a mini AC unit. And the nice thing about the coolant packs is that you can freeze them over and over again, and you actually get two, so you can always keep one in the freezer ready to go. Now, what's also great is that the coolant packs don't use any harmful chemicals or freon, so it's eco-friendly and safe for you and your family. Now, when you first get your fan, there will already be a coolant pack inside the unit. To take it out, simply open the tray in the back by pressing down on the lip and pulling it out like a drawer. Then toss the coolant pack in the freezer. Now, what everyone loves about this cooler is that you can use it anywhere. Those hot days at the office, summer picnics at the park, or just to cool yourself off while you're relaxing on the couch. And it's so easy to use. There's a simple on-off button and 3 different speed modes so you can adjust it to the perfect comfort level. Now, what I love about this is that it's so portable and lightweight. You can easily throw it into any bag or just use the convenient carrying handle on top to take it with you. Not to mention there's also a foam bracket which you can use to store your device while you're watching a video or listening to music. This runs on a rechargeable 1200 mAh battery, which you can charge up with the included USB cord, or you can use that to power it up to an external power source such as a computer or power bank. You're really going to be amazed at how much this fan can cool you down. And with its portability, you're going to be able to stay comfortable all summer long. Plus, when you buy more, you save more, so you're definitely going to want to pick up an extra for a friend or family member. So head on over to the site and pick up yours today.